Hey guys, it's me, Jerry Metalman Battaglia. I'm here with my friend Jim. He has been in the RV business since 1978, and he has some awesome rare RVs here. Actually, this is a really cool RV, so Jim, why don't you tell us about this RV? We'll do a little walk around and we'll go inside, but this is a very rare RV. It's actually about 20 years old, but very, very rare, and I've never seen one in my life, so this is so awesome.
Yeah, most people have never seen them. And what it is, it's called a Skydeck and made by Thor. They only made it a couple of years. People loved it. It didn't really sell that well because it was a little bit pricey. So that's why you don't see it. Everybody loves it, but they didn't like the price. So, I mean, it's like pretty much an RV, regular RV, but you know, people notice that extra piece on the top. And we'll show you when we go inside what that's about, you know, and you can see the umbrella, so I guess you kind of guessed already what's going on there. Should we walk around the outside,
Yeah,
Jerry?
yeah.
Or just, yeah, like I say, the outside, it looks like any other RV.
Now, what's the length of this one? 28?
No, this is they call it a 32, but it's really a lot of RVs, when they call it a 32, they don't include the tongue. So you got to add about 3.5 feet. So it's about 35.5 feet overall. Yeah, it's a little messy in here because we don't use it all winter, so we were just kind of getting it ready now. But you've got, you know, regular, just like all the RVs, the kitchen, and then up here you've got the bathroom and the front bedroom. But the big deal is up on the roof. That's the main deal.
So this is a one bedroom or two bedroom?
It's one bedroom, but the
Pull-out couch?
dinette, always when you see a dinette, that always converts to a bed. And then this is a sofa bed, so it pulls out to here. So theoretically, you could sleep 6, but it sleeps 2 to 4 pretty nicely, you know. So here's the staircase going up to the roof.
This is so cool.
Yeah, it really is. You can see the view you have. Not that we have a great view here, but down at the beach or in the woods, it is a good view. But up here, you know, we bring the barbecue grill up here, and it's got a sink. This is actually a queen-size sleeping area, so you can sleep up here if the weather's nice. And it's got 2 umbrellas. We just set the one up here so you can get the idea. But you can fit like 12 people up here.
Yeah, this is great for going to the beach, and you know, like I said, when we ran NASCAR, you know, I would go up on top of the hauler, but I never had a couch or an umbrella. But this is pretty awesome. And how many were made of this type of model? Do you know?
I honestly don't know, but they didn't make many. And even the fellow that started Thor, he said he mainly did it kind of as a marketing ploy. He bought the rights to build it from the inventor who patented to this concept, and he just did it. And when this came out, it was all over, not just in RV papers and magazines. There was pictures of it in the Wall Street Journal, and you know, it just got a lot of press because it was so unique and it just looked like so much fun. But he only made it a few years, and you know, not many, but I don't know how many.
And this is a 2003.
2003, right. I think they made it 2003, 2004, that was it. They also made a motorhome version with their Airstream division, which that was, you know, really cool because it was, you know, big Airstream diesel pusher motorhome.
Yeah.
That was a little bit too pricey
So
for me.
Thor Skydeck.
Right.
And these fold down, right?
These go down, yeah, you push a button, you can see the electric drive there, and they just come down. You know, you can see the piston. You know, that needs to be redone.
So guys, a 2003 Thor Skydeck RV. This is so awesome. You know, we would travel a lot with the truck series, and we were either in we had the motorhome, but we never had a Skydeck. Just so cool. There it is, guys. It's pretty awesome. Kitchen, bedroom. Like Jim said, sleep 6 if you want to go Do some sunbathing up top. You can relax up there in that awesome queen size relaxation area. Alright guys, I want to thank Jim for showing us this 2003 Thor Skydeck, and please like and share this video. Hit that bell notification because we have some more videos popping up. Also, please subscribe to the channel. Hit that little subscribe button. Jerry Middleman Battaglia coming to you with more videos. Have a great day.